Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to use short in Microsoft Word document 2013. First, open Microsoft Word. Then go to Short. Short is arrange the current selection in alphabetical or numerical order. This is especially used if you are typing organized data in a table like 1 9 7 4 3 2 6 5 if you want to this selection area using short, select all, then go to short and type number and select ascending. That means 1 2 3 4. So click OK and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and undo. And when you using the short descending, it's 9 8 7 descending 9 6 5 4 3 2 1. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.